Really? Right, I see. Thank you. Thank you for the heads up. Thank you for the heads up. What was it you wanted? Show us your knickers. Show us your knickers, Perciville. I know what you mean. For the... Oh, yes. Getting very excited about the possibility of a burlesque next year. You pick which colour you like, Perciville. You do it. Let's see if we can... Oh, you've dropped them, you silly bird. You silly bird. You're not silly. It's my hat's come off. And it's left hat hair. My hair looks like a hat. Let's fetch the hat as well. There we go. Dropping hats, dropping knickers. I don't know. And it's back to front. Also be it. We've got a lot of practicing to do before we take this on the stage. I wish you would stop saying cunt. I really do. You know it encourages me. Anyway, you're going to have to go and sit down for a minute, you naughty. Very naughty in the most special of ways, darling. Okay, but you just sit down. I've got work to do. Bye-bye. Bye-see bye. Bye. Bye, there's a good bird. What about these then? Colour coordinated with this cardigan. That could hold my fat ass any day of the week. Here we go. I wonder what would happen if I did this. How much would I look like? Would I look like a burglar? Oh, look at that beautiful curl. Look at it. I'm thinking these could have a double entendre. Don't you think? Pants on head. What else can we do with a pair of my beautiful big panties? Well, I can't think of anything right now. It could be a snood. I think it looks quite stylish like that. A snood. I could be on the catwalks of Paris. Let's just tuck this bit in here like this. No, in there like that. Yes, darlings, the most great for rain cover. Now, on my inbox, I have been asked a very specific question by a nice young lady, a teenager, and because she knows I'm somewhat of a good agony aunt, because I've been there, done it, worn the panties, and she asks me, how do we speak to the boy who doesn't want to wear a condom? Well, I say, I've given her the little nutty little quip. You need a raincoat on, hun, if you're going to travel up my love tunnel. That's one way of putting it. Or you could say, keep that meaty sausage well away from me until it's shrink wrapped. Tiger, I don't want no babies. Another way would be, put on your party hat, or you can't bounce in the bouncy castle. Or my favourite is feck off, skanky, go and have a wanky. Because if a boy does not respect your need to be safe and not impregnated, then it's time to send Granny in, vigilante, to teach him a lesson. I'll come all dressed up like this. What are you doing? You need to be wearing a rubber Johnny. Ta-da! Oh, look at that. It could be a little bow or a decoration on my hair. Look at how wonderfully my strands of hair have come out. I think there's really something in that. I'm quite liking the headscarf look. Anyway, these are very comfortable as well as very, very sexy. Oh yeah, look, they may not look sexy, but on me, I can make them sexy, baby. I can make them sexy. And off comes the first pair of sky blue knickers. There we go. So what else have we got, which I know you've already seen, but there's no harm in looking at again, are these fabulous, fabulous nipple tassels. So that with my big pants, and I'll be having a big bra. Could be a good look. Could be a good look. But before I go, shall I unveil myself? Unveil myself. I am finally going to get a bath. I've been mucking about, making videos all morning, and I'm a bit of a skank. I need a bath, but it's so much more fun putting on a wig and prancing about. 1, 2, 3, and bold. Bold, where did it all go? Getting ready for the bath. If Madame Boutons isn't doing it for you, then maybe Ms. Emma Shepherd can rattle up a groin in your loin. Until next time, babies. See, oh, look at that. Always happens to me. There we go.